Welcome back, guys. The next thing we want to do is to design for Instagram. So let me open Instagram app. And something about Instagram is that it carries different designs. So you could see different social media designs on Canva, on Instagram, sorry, rather. So you could come to your Instagram and you see, you just type social media and you see different social media design. So there are ways to create Instagram posts. There's the Instagram cover as well, and a whole lot of that. So as you could see, these are carousels for Instagram. So these are the kind of things you create if you are to create a branded design for personal brands and professional brands on Instagram. So you have to learn how to create things like this. So there are a whole lot of Instagram posts that's been created and it looks so great. So most of it is carousels, and carousels do well on Instagram. So let's do some Instagram design. So I'm just going to open my Canva right away. So I'm going to open my Canva. All I have to do is to search, like I said, search. So the first thing you want to search for is Instagram, of course, because we want to make designs for Instagram. So you search for Instagram and let's see what that brings for us. Let's see the templates, the type of templates it brings for us. So here we have the Canva templates, and here in the Canva templates we have like different templates for Instagram posts. We have Instagram posts, we have presentation, we have Instagram posts. As you could see, we have Instagram posts. So there are a lot of designs for Instagram posts right here. As you could see, these are carousels. When you see something like an arrow, it means they are carousel, but this is a pro version. So you could go on and on to create something delightful for your brand. And here we are. So we have different social media posts. We have Instagram posts. So you could create an Instagram cover just the same way we have Facebook cover, we have all that. But Instagram is just a lightweight app. And what you want to do now is you could check out what Instagram will be like when you open your profile. So you don't need a cover for Instagram actually, but you need a profile photo and you need content. You need to create designs for content. And one of the most popular content on Instagram is a carousel. So you could type carousel and see what it brings out for you. So we have carousel. I'm going to search for carousel. And here we have different carousel. These are free ones. So you could work on your carousel. You could work on different carousel, edit them, and make a very good design out of them. So you have like everything right here to be successful as a social media manager. So you could create different designs for your brands, for different brands. You could create beyond a personal brand for yourself. You create contents, create social media graphics for them. So as you could see, we have them numerously, and most especially the carousel can be taken and starts and it could be worked on. So I'll take a template, and this one of the template I chose. So you have different templates in this category that looks exactly just like this, but we have the ones in these categories that we could watch out for. So, but basically, this is a carousel. All I have to do now is to customize this template, and we have the template to be customized. So you could easily insert your own words. You could change the whole topic of the carousel. It depends on what you're working on. You could change the whole topic of the carousel and start editing. You start by editing the text. You start by going to the text and edit whatever you see that you don't like. So you give it to your basic edit, and all you have to do is just to click on the element you want to edit. So it's going to click on that element and you start editing straight away. So here we have building brand trust, which could be used for your designs as well. So this is basically Instagram design. So we could check out more. This is just one out of many pages. So we could go more and more and we design everything we are seeing here to make sure it's home to the brand we are working on. So we have a background here. You could choose to replace the background or you could choose to delete it. So when you click on it, you could see that there are a whole lot of things about this background. So we could just click on it and we could just say we want to delete it, and it goes to a black and we change the color. So you can change the color of all these. You can change it to like a yellow, and we have something like this. Then you can choose to change the text color to like a black, and it's going to look great on that. So that is simple. You could easily create different designs. You change the the border to like a black. You could change this to like a green just to make it make more sense. So here we are. So we are good to go. So creating a graphic design for Instagram is as simple as that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.